Have you seen those mind-blowing AI videos blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts? Millions of views. And creators are making real money, thousands per month, by doing this completely free. The secret? Sora 2 AI. And I'm about to show you exactly how to get access, how to use it, and how you can start making money with viral videos today. Even if you've never done this before. Stick with me till the end, and I'll literally hand you everything you need. Invite codes, prompts, watermark removal, and my blueprint for success. Ready? Let's go. Before we dive in, if you find this valuable, smash the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get my best money-making secrets as soon as they drop. First things first, Sora 2 isn't available in every country yet, but there's a simple fix. Just use any VPN and set your location to the United States or Canada. Now head to the official Sora 2 website, link in the description. You'll see a field asking for an invite code. Wondering where to get the invite code? Easy. Use the special site I've linked below. Copy your code and paste it into Sora 2. Click join and boom, you're in. Now the magic begins. On the Sora 2 homepage, you can start creating AI-generated videos within minutes. But here's something most creators miss. Viral prompts are everything. You need the right prompt if you want maximum views. Let's reverse engineer any trending video. Find a viral video on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Download it to your device. I use any TikTok downloader. There are tons online. Go to Google Gemini. Sign up, log in, and upload the video. Copy my exact prompt template, link in description, paste it under your video in Gemini, and hit enter. Gemini will analyze your video and give you a custom-crafted Sora 2 prompt built for virality. Copy that prompt. This is your blueprint. Paste your prompt into Sora 2. Now click the settings icon and set your aspect ratio to 9:16, the ideal vertical format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Choose your video duration, 10 or 15 seconds. For ultra-high retention, I recommend 10 seconds. Hit the generate arrow. Your video creation starts, and it'll be ready in just 2 to 4 minutes. Check your drafts folder. Your viral video is ready. Don't want the Sora watermark? No worries. Click Post to publish the video to your Sora 2 profile. Now, head back to your profile, tap the 3 lines icon, and copy your video link. Visit savesora.com, link below. Paste your video link, and hit Download without watermark. Within seconds, Save Sora will deliver a clean, professional, watermark-free video. Save Sora also shows you the prompt used for your video. Remake, tweak, and create endless viral content.